gonna make a quick lunch here. I've got some coconut oil in my cast iron pan. I actually use quite a lot. Coconut oil is really good for you, especially out here in the desert. You need a little more oil. I've got some asparagus, some kale, some rice that I already made. I'm gonna use an egg, an organic pasteurized egg. And I have a convenience food that I like to use. It's yum sauce. It's from the Willamette Valley. With a cast iron pan, you want it to be hot before you put your food in. Otherwise it's gonna stick. And I'm just gonna break these up. So I'm making like a little scramble. They don't need to cook for long. None of this needs to cook for long, which makes it perfect for van cooking. Add a little salt and pepper. Pepper, that's salt. I had full hookups before I came to the desert, and so I just prepared all of my veggies and stuff. So that makes it super fast and easy. I don't have to use so much water. Okay, that's all now coated with oil, and that's about all I need to do there. Once the egg's added, you should be able to turn off the heat, especially with a cast iron pan, because it holds heat really, really well. I think what would be really good with this is, or in this, would be coconut aminos. So I'm gonna grab some of those. So that's this. Coconut aminos are a little bit like soy sauce, only without the soy or the gluten. So there it is, a very quick and easy meal in the van that doesn't take a lot of energy or time. So that was just some coconut oil, some asparagus, a little bit of cleaned and cut kale, a little bit of cooked brown rice, an egg, some coconut aminos, salt and pepper, a little bit of yum sauce. I also topped it off with a little bit of turmeric, ginger ferment that I picked up in Santa Rosa. This is Joni with TheGalavan. Enjoy your journey.